2023 Audi Q7 Spy testing for the first time this year. The spy shots of the redesigned 2023 Audi Q7 just came out, and we must admit, it looks more attractive than the previous model. According to Audi, the new model will be introduced in the first half of the following year, while sales may start soon after. The Audi Q7 is a mid-size SUV that is top-rated. This model looks handsome, and it features very high-tech. On the other hand, it's also one of the most spacious SUVs available, offering a roomy cabin for 7 passengers through 3 rows of seats. Like the previous generation, the new Audi Q7 will continue to use the same 3 engine options. The base model uses a turbocharged 4-cylinder, while more power offers the optional twin-turbocharged V8 unit. Thanks to powerful engines, this model has an excellent reputation like the rivals such as the Mercedes-Benz GLE, BMW X5, and the Volvo XC90. 2023 Audi Q7 redesign. After receiving a mild redesign for 2020, the Audi Q7 is ready for some upgrades. Nevertheless, this mid-size SUV remains dimensionally the same as its predecessor, but it features more handsome styling. According to new spy shots, the forthcoming model will not differ significantly from the outgoing one at all. However, it will keep the same design language, but it should offer more sleekness and much better aerodynamics. First of all, the front fascia is somehow revised, featuring an attractive grille and new LED turn signal animation. Also, we noticed new wheels pattern, and we can expect even bigger wheels up to 22 inches in diameter on upper trims. On the back, this SUV will remain almost the same, with noticeably shaped tail lights and a wider bumper. Techy and modern interior. The new 2023 Audi Q7 is a very spacious SUV that will gain many upgrades. Unlike the previous generation, the upcoming one should receive a few extra standard features through trims. First of all, the Audi Q7 has one of the roomiest cabins in the segment that can fit 7 passengers. Beautiful materials, high technology, and attractive design are highlights of this SUV. With all seats stowed, the latest Audi Q7 can accommodate around 25 carry-on suitcases. It also comes with a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen and a smaller 8.6-inch located below. Also, like all upcoming Audi models, it comes standard with a virtual cockpit digital gauge display, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration, and 4G LTE Wi-Fi. 2023 Audi Q7 under the hood. The new variant, 2023 Audi Q7, will most likely be offered with the same 3 powertrain options as before. As a standard engine, the Q7 uses a 2.0-liter turbo 4, producing 248 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Also, it sends power to all 4 wheels and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. According to the manufacturer, the towing capacity will remain the same, so expect over 4,500 pounds. The next engine is more powerful. It consists of a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 delivering 330 horses and 326 lb-ft of torque. The maximum towing capacity of this model is 7,700 pounds. Lastly, the most potent engine is under the SQ7 version. This model draws energy from a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that produces around 500 horsepower. Price, release date. The all-new 2023 Audi Q7 is ready to receive some important upgrades that will definitively make it more competitive. From the latest news, it should go on sale sometime next year, probably in the first half of 2022. Aside from a more attractive exterior design, the new model will also introduce many changes and improvements inside. According to various reports, the price is expected to be slightly higher. The standard model may cost $55,500, while the SQ7 can easily pass $110,000.